In our busy lives, finding peace can be a challenge. We rush from one task to the next. Our minds race with thoughts. Mindfulness and meditation offer a path to inner calm. These practices help us slow down and reconnect with ourselves. Meditation and mindfulness are ancient practices. They have gained popularity in recent years. This is likely because they offer tangible benefits in our stressful modern world. Taking time for stillness is like giving a gift to yourself. Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment. It means observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Imagine you are sitting by a stream. Thoughts are like leaves floating on the water. You simply notice them drift by. Mindfulness is about acceptance. It is about being kind to yourself. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your breath. You notice the sensations in your body. This awareness helps to ground you in the present. Starting a meditation practice is easier than you might think. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may arise. Acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Start with just a few minutes of practice each day. Gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. The benefits of mindfulness and meditation unfold gradually with consistent practice. Like watering a garden, you will begin to notice the fruits of your efforts over time. You may experience reduced stress, improved focus, and greater emotional well-being. Remember to be patient with yourself. It is natural for your mind to wander. The key is to gently redirect your attention back to the present moment. Embrace the journey of mindfulness and discover the peace that resides within you.